Hello and welcome back. In this video I am using same as cell in previous video because we can simply print here. We need not to save and print every time. So let's run with this. Let's import here pandas. I will make as pd. Let's make as a pd because it will makes the easier ways. Now in this video we are going to access data by different method. First of all, we will make the series. Let's say a company has sold in suppose in 1 week, this is 7 days. I will simply make index here. I will make sales is equal to pd dot series and I will pass here list to. I will make the list here. First of all, suppose this is 1000 and 1200 and 12 20 32 and 900. These are the values and I will give the index here. Index will be in same. We can give by simply on quotation also. This is the right way, but it will be easier for me for further working. So I am making this as simply I have missed some values. I will make that value later. Sometime the mind would go away because I am so tired because there are more lots of work. This is Monday. Let's see that our index has been filled. Let's enter this. Now there are many ways to view this data. First of all, we can see the index separately. If you want to know what index I have, means on what basis I am working my file, then you can access by their index. You can know their index only. For this you can pass their here sales dot index. In this value it will print all the index like in the form of list, and you can know that you have such type of index, and that will pass in what types of index you are taking, either in the object form or in variable form. If we are working with file, we would change this again and again and print that, but we are getting this same all the time, so we are using this cell for learning purpose here. Now we can print only values also without index here. Here printing values is easy and it will print in the form of arrays. This is the form of array. It will say this is the array and this is the list. It will pass in the form of data. Now here if we want to index this Sunday, only of Sunday, then we can pass this like as, sorry for this, cell, and we will pass Sunday, and we are getting the value of Sunday. We can pass this as this like also, maybe 1 or 0. It may be yes, it may be 0, because we already know that index starts from 0 and this is the positional value. this is the indexing value and this is the positional value we are getting from this, and this we can get this value like this also. Suppose I want to get, if you have a study about SQL in database management system or database system, you can install where data is index is equal to Sunday and index is equal to Monday. You can make this in this also. Here also we get this chance, we can pass here 2 index so that we can get to, I will get, first of all we will get about, I will get about 6 second element and 7th element. Sorry for this, this is wrong. For this we have to pass here tuple, sorry, we have to, I was passing here simply without any function. This is the one type of function, so we have to pass inside the function argument as a list. This is the value here, and we may get, we have to get 1,6. Again series of 6 is not capable of running this. Let's make this cells and I will pass here simply, sorry for this, I will pass here Sunday comma Monday, it should give me answer, but series is not capable. I think I have done some mistake here, and this should be like this, and let's print this. Yes, this is like this. We have to pass, means we have to pass the list inside list, as this is list and it is inside list. The value we should pass, because we are not using any type of, here this is giving me long, I have not read this what it has given me, and I have know what types of value I have made. Tuple object cannot be interpreted, so we can't make either tuple or this. This is also tuples and this is also our tuples, and this is a list, so we are getting the value, and we may take by on index or the positional value or 2 or 3 index, and position we have find with positional value we will use index for 2 or 3. I will use here we, this is in this, why we are using this value, we can print all, but if you are looking for descending order or by first of all 4th position, 3rd position, 5th position, you can make a random wise what you want, so you can use this. I will make first of all Tuesday, and I will make Wednesday, and I will make Sunday, and I should get this value. This is how we can take different values here with a different time, and we will learn about other also. Here is the value, and I should clear this value, and I will do in this. You may have seen this value, and we will do in here. Here I will make cells with different value, and here we will know that. Here I have used these values with 1 0. This I am using with this index of, this is of character, and no, this is not a character, this is a string, means array of character. Now I will declare same as with a, you can copy this from here. Now I will use this same as integer, means from 1, Sunday means 1 2 3 4, 1. I will make this from Saturday. This is suppose Saturday to Friday, suppose this is in descending order, and I will remove this as 6, and this I will start from 6, not from 7, as I want to show you something like you should know that 6 5 4 3 2 1 and finally 0. Let's make this. I make this. First of all, I will print this like this. As we have get 6 in the position of 6, now we are getting this value. In previous printing we have shown that here cell 1 is the position of this value, but now I want to print that position here. Cell I will print first of all the number by passing 1. If it does not give me error because 1 is not defined here. Sorry for these cells, we will make this here. We should get this. I think we may get this, but this is not, because this is K error. We should not go more than this, but now I want to pass this cell and I will make 1. It will give me 7th, means here it will first of all give priority to index rather than the position. And for this here we can take byte, we can print this value in two positional things, like here suppose I want to print this value with indices or anything, or this positional value here we can print by simply passing these tuples here. We can pass this tuple here, and this is we should not make the tuple, this is the list. We have to make this list because it works in list and we have to pass list. Here in another method is here we can pass this location, but it will also print with this index rather than, sorry for this, I think I thought that I am parsing integer value, so I am making this cells dot see location, and I am making this as this. I am getting 700. And another method, there are 2-3 methods for this location, and here one, before that I want to pass I location. This will print me 1200. 1200 is the positional value of this. Here another method we can use is, here if you pass 1 2 3 4 in the string index, if your indices is of string, and you can get with that position, but if your index in the form of integer, then you will get that value of the indexes, not a position. Now here another method is ix method, where ix would get same here ix, and we can pass here index also. Sorry for this, ix will not get the index here, it will get the position. Ix is used to get the position of the values, and here we can pass dot ix, and we can pass 1. Here also it is giving preference, because if you pass this, we have get this long error here, because this does not works in this index, but it works in position, but in this case we are not getting position. Let's see, the one for first position is 1200, but we are getting from the index we have printed here. This is from this we can learn that this priority is given to index first of all, then it will be given to the position, and there are an 2-3 method of printing these values. In next video I will try to make some more values for you, and we will make some different small but different values. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and help our community.